So just imagine having a personal AI assistant and that not only answers your queries but also fetches the latest and relevant information in the real time. Meet TechTales AI. That is your intelligent search companion, and it is designed to help you with your research, fact checking, and quick insights all in one place. Powered by LangChain, Claude 3 Sonnet, and real time search tools. And this AI is built to give you structured, reliable answers instantly. So, in this quick demo, I will show you how TechTales AI works, how easily you can interact with it, and the awesome features that it gives you. And we will see how you can find it out on Hugging Face. So I am taking you directly onto the Hugging Face. So what you need to do, you just need to do and type Hugging Face spaces, and there once you log in, then you will find my page there, and I'm taking you directly on my page. So my page is Varma Pankaj 123. Under that, I'll take you to this AI, TechTales AI, and currently the status is running. So it will show you that the page is running and the app is here. And once you are onto this app, you may need to use your own API key. So you need to take the plan, apply that key into the code, and then you can start playing with it. Whatever query you have in your mind, you can ask it and it will help you. So what it does basically, let me give you a quick demo what it does. For example, if you are going to France and you want to know something about France, you asked about what is the capital of France. It came back with summary. Paris is the capital, largest city of France, with an estimated population of this, and all the geographical area. Then maybe because you know now that Paris is the capital of France, so you want to have another question, and then you want to ask what is the famous landmark of Paris, and then you enter it. So it is going again in the background and it is giving you back another answer, and that is like, yeah, so it is saying Eiffel Tower is undoubtedly the most famous landmark of Paris. This wrought iron lattice tower nicknamed this, all this stuff. And then another again, you want to ask something. What is the famous food in Paris? And then you again ask your question, enter, and then as soon as you do it, then this brings you back what is the famous food of Paris. And so Paris is renowned for its exceptional culinary offerings, with several iconic dishes and foods are particularly famous. Some of the most notable include croissants, French onion soup, boeuf bourguignon, and various French pastry and desserts. So this is all it comes back, and then let's see one more question in the last, and then we will go and deep dive into the code, what it does, how it does. So if you want to hang around and go through the code, then please feel free to stay here and we will deep dive and how it does and all that stuff. So it is saying top tourist attractions in Paris. So along with what we have searched before about the what is the landmark of France and then famous food of Paris, now it is coming back with Louvre Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral, and all that stuff, and Champs Elysees Boulevard. So these are the all good options there. If you want to clear the chat, we can clear the chat, and that's how it does. There are some other options here. If you want to like, if you want to print whatever you have printed there before clearing the chat, then you can print. There is an option to print. If you want to kind of in the settings, if you want to do wider mode, you can see in the background it went into the wider mode. I'm bringing it back into the compact mode. Then if you want to change the settings to use the light theme, it can. If you want to use the system theme, it can. So all the different kind of stuffs you can. And this is the uh, power of Streamlit. Now I'm going into the code and will take you through that, and it and we'll show you something about the code. So this is the code we have seen in our last video, this code as well, but let me give you again a deep dive into the code and what I'm using. Basically, I'm using Streamlit for the UI, and I'm using DuckDuckGo search because, as I told you in the previous video, I'm using three tools basically. So I'm using DuckDuckGo search. Like, DuckDuckGo search comes in the picture when you need to search anything on the internet. So like a Google, it is a search engine, and we are using that API. It goes onto internet, it finds everything from there. And other than that, I am using some other tools. For example, let me take you here the tools. So one, we already talked about DuckDuckGo search. Another one is that if we want to save the text into the file, then I'm using this tool, that is like own tool, and just to save it. And the third one is Wikipedia wrapper. So we are using Wikipedia wrapper, and using the API we are calling Wikipedia to search the information. If you must have seen, let me try, if you must have seen from the previous one, whatever we were seeing, you must have seen that the for example, if we search here, we will see that what it is doing, it is going through the DuckDuckGo search, and it is going to Wikipedia, and it is trying to find the information. So all those tools are in use, just to search around. So for example, you have seen here sources, so it is through the DuckDuckGo. So going back to the code, these are the three tools used. Streamlit was there for the UI purpose, and Anthropic Claude AI that we are using. So we are using Claude 3.5 Sonnet version of it, and you can change your tokens here. Depends on how much tokens you want to use. So that is all about it. Hit the like button if you really find it useful, and if you have any questions, drop a comment and we can chat around. Thank you. Bye.